Many homeowners are realizing how easy it is to install pre-finished hardwood floor. The tricky part comes when you get to the door jambs.
Most people might think you need to cut the flooring to fit around the molding. Actually, just the opposite is true. It's much simpler to just cut the molding and slip the flooring underneath. And the way you do that is you take a piece of the flooring and turn it upside down so you don't scratch the finished surface and hold it up against the molding. In this case, this is a glue down piece of flooring, so there's no padding that goes underneath it. Then just take a hand saw and hold it flat against the flooring and saw straight through. Now, once you're almost through, just take a nice slow cut, pull it out, and pry out the little piece of wood. You can slip the flooring right underneath it. There we go. Came out in pieces, but as you can see, you get a nice, perfect fit.
Well, that's a nice appearance. Now, if you have a lot of door jambs to cut, you may want to rent a jam saw from the rental center, but we only have a couple to cut here. This works great.